Anyone? Do you want a girl or boy? A boy? Oh, girl. A boy, come on. How about this boy in blue? Give him a big round of applause. Come on. Thank you. Right, be careful, it's a bit wet. Over here on my left. Hello, how are you? What's your name? And how old are you? What's your age? 19 years old. Wow, that's pretty old. 19 years old. Wow. Are you sure you're 19 years old? Sorry. Oh, 99 years old. Oh, he's getting older. I'm just joking. 9 years old. Alright, now what I have here for you today. Can any of you tell me what is this? A piece of paper. Tear it into half. Come on. You grab this half. What you do, you can shake. Left and right, left and right. Come on, follow me. Left, right, left, and shake your bomb bomb. Come on. More. This way. Very good. How about just give a big round of applause? Come on, clap for him. Yes. He did a wonderful job. Now, and next what we're gonna do, you're gonna hide your paper inside your hand. Just like this. And make sure nobody can see anything. Alright? All the way inside. Alright? And now, I'm gonna grab some magic dust. A magical wave and a blow. Come on, a blow. And now, boys and girls, look carefully. Magic can happen. Do not blink your eyes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna pull it out. Just like this. Slowly, slowly. It's getting longer, longer, longer. Come on, keep on pulling. It's getting longer. And let go. What happened? Mine's getting longer and yours is getting shorter. Wow. Come here. Come on, you help me to pull. Pull. Slowly pull. Very good. Come on, keep on pulling. Very good. Come on, give a big, big round of applause. Come on. Over here. Come on. One more time. One more time. Pull. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Wow. Keep on pulling. Yes, and one more. Oh. Alright, give me a big, big round of applause. Come on, thank you. You did a wonderful job. And now, wow. Whew. You gonna see more magic?
Yes.
I hear you.
Yes.
What I have here? Who can tell me what I have here? What is this? A box. I'm gonna light this up, just like this. Follow it. Ready? And go. And boys and girls, please do not let me fire. It's very dangerous. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and
Wow.
thank you very much, everybody. Say hello to Buddy, come on, thank you. Who like Buddy? Who? How many of you? Excellent. Thank you so much. Alright, for my next magic, what I have here for you? I have a piece of paper. Alright, now boys and girls, look carefully, please do not blink your eyes because normally my magic will happen in just 1 second. Thank you. How many balls do I have? How many balls? Can I have one volunteer? Who wants to help me? This time now, you are the boy or girl? I can't hear you. A girl? Yes. Let's give a big round of applause. Come on. Thank you. How about you? Yes. Alright, a big round of applause. Come on. Thank you. Over here. On my left. Thank you so much. Okay, now boys and girls. How many balls do I have? How about this? 2. Okay, very good. Now, can you please open your hand just like this? Come on, open up your hand. Open the hand. I'm gonna place this 2 ball right over here. Come on, open up. And you're gonna close it very tight. Make sure you don't drop the ball because these are magic ball. If you drop them, it will fly, roll, jump, and start on your head. And you become a Mickey Mouse. Alright, and let's say you drop 1 ball. One ball, you jump and fly and start on your nose. You become a clown. Okay? Got it? Ready? Yep. Alright, now 2 ball. Here we go. Open your hand, come on, open up. Close it. Watch very carefully, boys and girls. Do not blink your eyes. Magic. Open up. Thank you very much. You become a cube. Wow, how do you do that? You have magic. Alright, good job. Let's give a big round of applause. Thank you. Wow, I have something for you. Come on. I have a magic candy. Hello, girl. Yes. Hello. I have a magic candy. Thank you. Watch your step. Be careful. Be careful. Alright now. Do you know where's my ball? Who can tell me where's my ball? No idea. My ball is actually right inside my magic box. I'm going to show you my ball is the magic ball. Show you my red ball. When you see my red ball, you clap for me. Alright? Are you ready? Red ball. Thank you. You never clap. Do you like my red ball? Yes or no? Yes, very good. I have a... Oh. Are you sure this is a red ball? No, this is a blue ball. Oh. Okay, no worry. Come on, I'm going to do it one more time. Magic. Blue become red. Thank you very much. Come on. Do you like my magic? What? It's still blue? Are you sure it's still blue? It's red. Blue? Okay. Blue. Sorry. Oh, next I need your magic words. Do you have any magic words for me? What is the magic words? Blah 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 blah. Very good. One more time. Louder.